lesson, that's word of the wise. Dubbing the mixes I'm mixing, I know I've been missing. I needed some personal time. Fuck all the pictures, dimensions, I don't with your digits. I mean it, I'm staying inside. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm.
If you gave me your whole life, I would still have room for more. Cause I've got that appetite. Baby, I never feel whole. You might get me through the night, but it will never be enough. It will never be enough. Cause I'm a black girl for your love.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Soman, for those of you that don't know me, and for those of you that know me, you guys have probably came from TikTok. It is all about hair. Let's just get started. Okay, so the curler that I use for my hair is the Babyliss wand, Babyliss Pro. I have been using this for many years. I love it. It works great. It works wonders for me, and to protect your hair from heat, I put my oil and everything. So I just part my hair like this in two.
I brush my hair. I brush my hair now. So I just brush my hair. It goes like nice and smooth.
Like, how cute is that? And this is how I like my curls, like super nice and tight and bouncy. What my hair looks like when it's all curled. And this is how you guys see my hair on TikTok. And no, I do not wear any hair extensions, so I just kind of like run my fingers like this. So this was my hair tutorial, guys. This is how I curl my hair. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Princess Soman, and of course TikTok, Princess Soman, and this is my YouTube, Princess Soman. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I will be focusing more on YouTube now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Why am I doing this? I don't even know. I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Mwah. What did I just say? Hi guys, welcome. This is not easy. Okay, layers in their hair. They get more. Oh my gosh, I cannot talk.